أبزن سعبة عسرت السنتنس دقة طيجات الله نفس وكفن حاحن تيجالون نتاجيجا على ليها كتر ما تخيلك أبناء ليفل 2 أبسبو بوزيشنال لها مالتي نفس وكف حتى كم ببني أم بيبه تاجيجا نختار ليه 5 سكند بوكمي دحريو أنا قلت زي لازم نغيد. Number 1 I prefer tea than coffee in the morning. I prefer tea than coffee in the morning. Okay, I prefer tea. Prefer تلنا هو اللي جزء زان أنت كمينا. زان موارد دريس. لذي I prefer tea تلنا to coffee. Prefer tea to coffee. زان نتكلم taller, shorter ندبلنا comparison قبل كلنا تراي. لذي he is taller than his sister. كلمة نحن مش prefer جن to نتكلم. Number 2, if I worked hard, I will pass the exam. If I worked hard, I will pass the exam. Okay, كم نرينا دي conditional if clause. If كنت كم كنا up to if clause a main clause له verbs كسان له. If I worked hard past tense له I would pass the exam. If I worked hard I would pass. ويل كتون تخينا تا worked كا work كمان له. If I work hard أبرتي تسيره I will pass كحلفه. If I worked hard I would pass. Would مس simple past يخير مالتي. Number 3, she has been working very hard from 9 o'clock this morning. She has been working very hard from 9 o'clock this morning. Okay, of the sentence there, she has been working very hard from 9 o'clock. تقول له ساعة شعة جميلة نبالي. From قلنا خمدين تكويننا. Okay, from to كنا كلا condition. أبزجن حدا action مزخي إنفسام زلوا كاب معسك من جمرة. قلت لنا since ننتكلم. لذي she has been working very hard since 9 o'clock this morning. A present perfect كاب ساعة شعة جميلة سجع حجين مبال since. أب حلف موتي action تجمر له from ده يكونه بsince يقلص. لذي أكن from since تراجعنا تا sentence بالإتقان. Next, my brother likes swimming to play tennis and dance. My brother likes swimming to play tennis and dance. Okay, زي بتزامر أو برتت بلا parallelism زبها نجار. My brother likes تلنا حوي فتو اتزفتو نجارات كزرزر كله وإذا خون زرزر بكوماندا فلنا ليست هنعرف لنا اتي اب ليست زلو قالات بحركات تماثل ستراكشر كله الله زي حاجه خميك ترى مدخل my brother likes swimming تلنا اكن to play playing تكون الله لذي swimming playing tennis and dancing كلن by ing form. My brother likes swimming playing tennis and dancing كلن بجران ويكا by ing form تتقليتن as you نصوري هون. Next, if you wanted to go you can go. If you wanted to go, you can go. Okay. أظن night tense زي ما قرأوا. If you wanted, hello you. If you wanted to go, تلنا you can go. Can ka present tense. That's the past and present. تعيش الله. أكيد wanted تتخون كان تبغى مهند. If you wanted to go, تلنا you could go. If you wanted to go, you could go. If you wanted to go, أبحلو في ماشي. If you wanted to go, you can go. Next, the book which I borrowed from the library, it was very interesting. The book which I borrowed from the library, it was very interesting. Okay, أبدأ sentence زي حنت قالت لي ماله حنت قالت أجيجا. The book مسبلنا أينيت مصحف. The book which I borrowed from the library. تأخذ library تلقى حكوا. already تقيس الله. The book تبعه لازم. The book which I borrowed from the library was very interesting. تأيت هيتدلنا. It was interesting إلله. It كتفعله معناته already تقيسها. It كندسميو pronoun. ክንድስም ንጥቀምካ እቲ ስም እንድሕር ዘየለይ እቲ ናውን እንድሕር ዘየለይ pronoun ንጥቀም ወይ ሃይለ is a student ንብል ወይ ከዓ he is a student ኣብዚኻ ወይ the book ንብል ወይ ከዓ it ንብል the book ኢልና ብኩላ ጠቂስና ኢልና it ዘድግም ምክንያት የለን ስለዚ the book which I borrowed from the library was very interesting ነታ it አሊና ታ sentence ክነድሆም next everyone should bring their own pen for oneself everyone should bring their own pen for oneself okay everyone singularly everyone should bring تلنا their كلنا everyone should bring his own pen for oneself everyone should bring his own pen for oneself or for himself for herself كم كلمات مالكن their plural everyone is singular the subject and verb أيتغادون okay next walking into the classroom the smell of chalk filled my nose walking into the classroom the smell of chalk filled my nose okay they are flexible walking into the classroom not walking in the classroom not classroom مئتاو تقليد له قال من يزات نيرو أفلتني قال أنا قال قدي والله okay the smell of chalk filled my nose تناي chalk شتا أفنجاي عبيس نوي تسمعني تيلو أنا يبلا له مايس لزبله my nose قلت خاينو أما جمرة بزعبو مهنا كتنصر نيروا جا خميكين أرمان خل when I was walking in the classroom نتزعت نمرسي كنا يتقلصه that's why awkward because they نصرت هنا لذي when I was walking in the classroom the smell of chalk filled my nose نبت classroom كأتون كله أنا يبلا نمرسي أفنجاي ويابفنجاي زي تسمعني يبلا له لذي من مهانو walk زجبر نبت classroom لذي تقلصه subject متى كنا نصران خل when I was walking in the classroom دلنا sentence نصرتهم next because he was tired so he went to bed early because he was tired so he went to bed early okay أبزع كلتا conjunction لنا because إلو so هالو هجي كلتين متكامن نتنصرات فيه والله because تلنا so أيرلينا نيو so هنبتخنها because كإلا الله because I was tired دخي مش لازم نمركو because I was tired wake up because he was tired he went to bed early سلامتاي قلتي في ركيسو دخي مش لازم نبره دخي مش لازم نبره مهانو تا reason بتا because تقيس الله so أيتدلنا لذي because تلنا so أيتدلنا so أينا تنبيمنا أزيان سرطان because he was tired دخي مش لازم نبره he went to bed early مبال كن أرمان خل next the student only read 3 chapters. The student only read 3 chapters. أبدا هاتي word order نبلغ سجمال لنا مالك. أبدا sentence حنتقل أبزي بوتات يلا بوتات كير الله. Which one? كل جزء بوتا أيرو بجايز فترلنا. modifier قلص خون كله the student only read only نمتحت قلص دله only هيك قلصي only نمتحت قلص نتن 3 page ثلاث قلص راح مدبب كاب ثلاث قلص لعل كم زين ببه نتن ثلاث قلص هنا only تبلن دله مثلا قرب الله only read مبارك كله ترجمه ambivot راي هجي نتن من بابو يكون only قلص يجله ثلاث قلص مهانني لذي تا only تدا تحري read أمزينه the student read only 3 pages with only 3 chapters ثلاثة chapter تاعهم بيبونه نمبال تا only نتن ثلاثة chapter وين تا 3 chapters تقول كتقلص الله لذي only أبدي بوت الله دهري read تمسينه تا sentence أزيان إزارتخون Okay, I hope you have got the answers for all these 10 questions. If not, you can practice similar exercise in different forms. For now, that's it. Have a nice time.